So one of you asked me this question: how do I invite people to the platform, the new live streaming app I just introduced? So that's what I'm going to show you right now. Okay, you click on the live button here, that's the center. All right, and then at the top right corner you see your profile picture. Click on it at the top, and then once you've done that, you see your live center. Scroll up all the way down, you will see where it says invitation rewards. Click on it. Okay, so this is where you will see those you have invited and how much you've earned from them. All right, so you just scroll down and click invite friends now. You can either share it to your WhatsApp contacts, or you just copy the link. So when you copy the link, you can then give it to people. That's how you can invite your friends. And let me tell you something, there's a lot you earn from invitation. Yes, you can earn $1 when your friend completes their task on the first day, 2-hour task on the first day. You can earn $1 from it. So you can earn a lot from inviting friends. Go ahead and invite friends to this platform. There's a lot of benefits on this platform, and I'm still like exploring them. If you don't know this platform I'm talking about, you want to join, you would like to join, you know how live streaming apps work, just like Popo Life and Co. This is a new one. Kindly check the link, I'll leave it in the description. Go and watch the full video and then ask your questions there. Please do not message me to ask questions. I'll be taking your questions instantly on that YouTube video. So I have successfully shown you how to invite friends to join you on the Boom Life app.